I've been making wallpaper for 45 years. The process is very simple. You do a drawing, generally of a plant, because nature is the best designer. Work out the way that it can repeat as a design, then cut it in lino and proof it and print it. First of all, you get the block, you paint the block with a brush, then it depends how big the block is. Some of them I print with a hand roller, and some of them are so big that I have to get onto the table and print with my stomping feet. No two are the same. It's quite difficult actually to make them the same. The brush marks sometimes come out, and you can also get a different and irregular pressure. So the whole thing is almost mottled, although when you get a whole wall of it, it evens out and it looks like it's been put on by hand. Wallpaper is rather like having music in the background. When you see a painting, you're drawn into a painting. When you see wallpaper, your eye, as you're talking, wanders over the wallpaper, and maybe you'll almost unconsciously work out the repeats in it. If an average room takes about 8 rolls, it takes 3 hours to do a roll, something like that. It could take 24, 30 hours to do a room. The design is something else. That can take up to a week sometimes. I do these courses twice a year in my studio here in Lyme Regis in Dorset. We take up to 8 students, and it's great fun. We feast, we drink a lot of tea and coffee, and we work jolly hard, and you end up with a design that you can take home and print up your own wallpaper for as big a room as you like. I make wallpaper because I love decoration. I've done opera houses, I've done hotels, I've done palace, well, a palace. Big houses, small flats, even a gypsy caravan. I celebrate the handmade because it shows the maker in it. My family were not very artistic. A doctor uncle said it was rather like my father planting an onion and up came a daffodil. Now I'm happy with that.